All right, so as we are checking on our chicken noodle soup, as you can tell, the chicken is starting to fall apart. Yay! So it's getting real tender. This has been cooking on medium low. We currently haven't been, well, this has probably been cooking as far as the chicken itself for a total of 3.5 hours. What we're going to do now is throw in a few handfuls of egg noodles now, so that way it can start to cook in with our chicken and chicken broth. Alright, so based off of your own discretion, you don't want to put too much noodles in because you don't want it to take away from the actual broth, and we want our noodles to cook. So while that is sitting in here, we're going to allow this to cook up for a little bit. So I'm going to actually just throw one more. Perfect. With a couple of little nuggies. Okay, perfect. And stir this up, and we're going to go ahead and put the top on and allow it to cook. And we will bop back and check on it in a moment. So let's put the top on there.